odd
What kind
setup
of
loadout.
sociopath puts peanut butter in the freezer?
That's somebody you need to put that in a sock and club whoever the fuck put it in the freezer. Just like repeatedly, just whirlwind that shit. Bah, 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 bah. What'd you learn? It's like, honey, he's like 9 months old. He didn't know. He knew enough to get the chair over to the pantry, didn't he? Bah, 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 bah.
God damn. Suddenly flashbacks to my childhood came back.
Just rushing right back, didn't they?
I dude, it's just Teletubbies, beatings. Yeah, you know, same line of
In case
thinking.
y'all wonder why he wears the hat.
And you know that I'm down to ride. We gon' keep it moving, yeah, we do this all the time. Yeah, you know that I am not like all those other guys. Yeah, you know we moving up, you know we on the rise. Ooh.